Friends, welcome back. Today we have a special guest among us. He has completed his masters from Italy and is currently working in Bangalore. He is also a stammerer like me and has undergone a lot of challenges in his life. Currently, he is a coach at the Maguire program and he has inspired a lot of folks, including me. Welcome, Yashwant, to Let Us Talk.
Thank you so much, Vivian. Thank you for having me here today.
Yashwant, so when you started stammering, probably during your childhood, how tough it was and how did you handle it?
Yes, so until I turned 16 years, I haven't been challenged with my stammer. But once I have completed my 12th standard, when I was about to go to abroad to do my bachelor's degree in medicine, that was the time I started to feel alone and stammer took over, and I don't know what to do at that time. I was feeling terrible and helpless, and it went on until I turned 22.
So, did you feel that you were the only person in the world who had a problem like this when everyone around was talking effortlessly?
Yes, exactly. I thought the same. I was thinking I'm the only person in the world stutters, and there is no one stutters in this world, and I was reluctant to even talk about this with anyone.
You completed your bachelor's in Coimbatore and your master's from Italy. How was it when you had to give speeches or presentations during your college, and how did you prepare? Because it's tough when you have a stammer and to do a speech.
Yes, before joining Maguire program, that is before 2015, I was not able to give any kind of speeches at all. I couldn't even say my name during the Freshers Day, and yeah, I haven't spoke anywhere. But after 2015, everything started to change. I started to give presentations, attend oral exams, and ask doubts with professors. So every time when I am getting near to any challenging speaking situations or any oral exams, I will be preparing myself both psychological and also physically. Like I will be going for public contacts and I'll be speaking with 100 strangers, and also psychologically I will say to myself that I am going to sound like this no matter what. So this is my routine I follow whenever I am approaching any challenging situations.
So initially these situations were actually a hurdle, but with time you started seeing them as opportunities to improve your speech.
Exactly, yeah. Pre-Maguire, I was very afraid and thought that I couldn't able to speak for my entire life. But after Maguire, I see every speaking situation as a challenge for me to improve and defeat my stutter.
So what is your message to the people who stutter, especially the students right now?
Right. So as I said earlier, before joining Maguire program, I was thinking that I am the only person who stammers in this whole world. But after joining, I came to know that it is not true. So my advice or suggestion to my fellow stutterers is, each and every person have their own challenges in life. So some challenges are visible and some are not visible. Whereas our issue is visible and there is a lot of ignorance is going on around the world. Many people don't have any awareness about it. So that's completely fine. We don't want to think a lot about it. But remember, everyone have their own challenges and everyone is fighting to overcome it. Instead of thinking that you're something not worth enough, think that you are an inspiration for all the people trying to overcome their own challenges in their life. Thank you.
According to statistics, nearly 1% of the population are stammerers, which means nearly 1.3 million people in India have a stammer. And I believe that 50% of that should be in schools and colleges. So let's ask Yashwant what is his message for the parents and the teachers who sees these stammerers. So Yashwant, what is your message to the parents and the teachers who interacts with these stammerers?
First thing is, teachers or parents need to understand what a student is going through and try to give them time to speak up and not to make them hurry to speak up. And the second thing is, fear is one part of stuttering, but it is not the complete thing. And please don't say to a child who is suffering from it, like, don't be afraid, speak slow. These will not help them, but your time will definitely help them. And try to encourage them, and please don't react too much if they stutter. If you react and if you bring that doubt in their mind that this is something awkward, then definitely that child will be thinking, okay, we are something different, so let us be quiet, and they won't try anything new. So please give them time to speak up and they will be fine.
Thanks Yashwant for your time and sharing your experience with us.
Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity.
Today we have learned that how stammering can be a hurdle in your life. We can definitely overcome it with the right mindset and with the help of the society around us. So until then,